In this video, we're going to go through the wiring process. Here we can see our installer putting together a Cat5e Ethernet cable. Make sure that the wires are all butted to the end of the cable jack, and that the cable jacket is up halfway. Now he's putting together the relay wires that will connect to the door strike. Make sure to use gel-filled B connectors when connecting copper wires. These connectors will ensure a weatherproof seal and will prevent corrosion. Next, our installer begins preparing the intercom power cable. You'll need to splice in the 5mm locking barrel connector. Just like with the relay wires, make sure to use gel-filled connectors to prevent corrosive damage. Lastly, our installer is preparing the Rex wire that will connect to the intercom directly. This will trigger the door release when access is granted to the building.